Hey guys, it's Joanne here, and today I am bringing you another Nadine West try-on haul. If you are not familiar with Nadine West at this point in time, you really need to check out this subscription box. I have done several Nadine West try-on hauls. I will leave a link in the card above so you can check out all the other clothing that they have sent me over the past, gosh, I would say like maybe 8 months or now. And I want to thank Nadine West for sending me these monthly subscriptions to try on and to be able to show you guys and tell you guys what I think about these clothes. So let's get right to the haul because I have a lot to show you. I have actually 2 months worth of subscription packages to be able to show you. So let's get started. The first thing I want to talk to you about is the outfit that I have on right now. And let me see if I can step back a little bit. So the first thing I got was these pair of jeans. These are long, straight leg jeans. They fit me absolutely perfect, like a glove. I really like these jeans. They do not have a front pocket, but they do have a rear pocket to be able to put stuff in. And this top that I got is just totally me. I absolutely love this style top with the crisscross down the sleeves to show a little skin, but to not show too much. And I've paired it with these earrings that they also came in last month's box. They're these dangly, like, hearts. I absolutely love dangly earrings when it comes to my earring choices. And the last thing that I have is this bangle. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Has a little bit of black design in it, but it stretches, so it's easy to put on and put off. But all in all, these 1, 2, 3, 4 items just makes a perfect outfit for me. And the last thing that came in this month's box is this cute top by Hippie Chic, and it is red with these white flowers. The size is, I believe it's like between a large and an extra large. And it has the crisscross down the sleeve. It's almost like it's a little bit longer than a regular sleeve. You know, it's about the length of this. So what do you call that? It's longer than a t-shirt sleeve. I don't know. Anyways, what I thought I would do, guys, is I would put this shirt up as a secret giveaway in this Nadine West haul. So if you are a large or an extra large and would like to win this item, which is brand new, tags on, has not been worn. It's just not my style, it's just not my pattern, but it is an absolute lovely, high quality item. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel, leave a comment below. Only if you are a large or extra large. If you are a large / extra large, I do not have any other options for this. But if you would like to win this shirt, please leave in the comment and say, I'm in for the Hippie Chic, and I will put you in for the drawing. I will leave the giveaway open for a week, and 7 days after I upload this video, I will put up the random drawing winner video, and good luck. And make sure you enter. The last item that I got last month was this really cute purple top, and it has this crisscross in the front. This is very common theme with the Nadine West, and we will try this on. Here is the purple top, and I really love the Nadine West styles. I love the crisscross in the front, the sleeves. I love the way it fits perfectly in the bust area, and it kind of flares out a little bit at the bottom. So it gives you some nice coverage where, you know, ladies, where we need coverage the most. I will be back to show you what I got this month in my Nadine West. This month for Nadine West, I got this really cute maroon, kind of like a fuchsia maroon colored top. And again, I love how it fits in the bust area. I love the crisscross in the front. Shows a little bit of the girls down the center. And it also has this flared look. It's great to pair with leggings, etc. Check out the jewelry that I got this month, which was these dangly earrings I absolutely love these. So adorable. I also got this awesome bracelet that is kind of like an all-in-one, and it has a magnetic clasp that just is really easy to put on, and I can appreciate that. And then the necklace that I got is this long dangled necklace that has like gold and silver circles that just kind of finishes up the outfit. I'll be back and show you. I still got more stuff to show you, so I'll be right back. And the last item that they sent me was this really cute purplish tone, again, top, a little bit different than the other one. It has the crisscross down here. It's more of a 3/4 length top. Again, it fits nice up here and flows a little bit shorter than the other ones. And I also got these really cute earrings. I just love those. They kind of have like a quartz type finish to them. Other thing she sent me were these kind of like workout pants, I would call them. And they have like this ribbed design right here in the upper thigh. I just think really is a nice, cute accent. I am just absolutely loving the styling that I have been getting from Nadine West. They have just been hitting it out of the park for me. So that is it for my try-on. Oh yeah, that's it, right? Do I have anything else? I think that's it. So that is it for my try-on haul, guys. If you like these kind of try-on haul videos, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Joanne. It's so nice to meet you. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the notification bell. I think you should know the drill if you are watching YouTube. For those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for coming back and supporting my channel by watching this video. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next video. Bye, guys.